Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how to install the Pandas package in Julia. For that at first we will install the Julia programming language, then we will install the Pandas package. Let's start with the download and installation of the Julia programming language. At first go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google type Julia. On typing go to the official website julialang.org. When you will reach here, directly click download. Now the downloads are visible. Different versions for Windows, Mac, Linux. We want for 64-bit and an installer.exe file. Therefore click on it. Click here. Download started, only 79 MB. Let's wait. The exe file downloaded. Double click on it to install. Minimize. The setup started. It will only take 518 MB and it will get installed under the following location, which is fine. Click next. It will create a desktop shortcut as well as a start menu entry. Click add Julia to path. Click next. Now the setup started. Let's wait. Guys, we successfully installed Julia. You can double click on the desktop shortcut. I'll click finish and I'll double click and it will open. Here it is. Guys, we successfully installed the Julia programming language. Let us verify. Go to start. Type cmd. Click on open to open the command prompt. Now type Julia and press enter. This shows that we successfully installed it. Now we will use the pkg command to install the pandas package. How? Let us type using pkg and press enter. Now type pkg dot add. Now we need pandas, so I'll just type pandas here and press enter. It is installing now. Guys, we successfully installed it. Now verify by typing using space pandas. This will install pandas. So guys, we successfully installed it. When you'll again type using pandas, Press enter. It won't show any error. That means we successfully installed Pandas package in Julia. Thank you for watching the video.